Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to register for a Fazaa card in 2026 and how UAE families can get a Fazaa membership step by step. So first of all, let's understand what the Fazaa card actually is. So Fazaa is a benefits and discount program in the UAE that gives members access to the special offers on shopping, travel, restaurants, hotels, healthcare services, entertainment, and many other everyday services. Recently, a community initiative in the UAE allows many resident families to apply for a Fazaa membership, which means eligible families can get access to these discounts through a digital membership. So let's go through how you can apply for a Fazaa card. So first of all, you need to come to the official website of Fazaa. So you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for fazaa.ae. On the home page itself, you are going to see these two options on the top right hand corner. So we have become a member and become a partner. So here click on the option of become a member. Now as soon as you do this, you will be landed here on this particular page where the registration process will be completed in 3 simple steps. So first of all, in the first step, you need to provide your company code. So registration is limited to specific companies and not open to public. To begin the registration process, please enter your company code in the field below. After adding your company code, you will be redirected in the second step where you need to provide your personal information. In it, you will need to enter the details such as your full name, the contact information, and other basic identification details. In the step 3, you need to upload the Emirates ID copies. The system usually requires Emirates ID verification for the main applicant, and if you are applying as a family, for other family members as well. This helps confirm eligibility or the members. Now, when you submit the application form, the system will review your details. In most of the cases, you will receive a confirmation message or email once your request has been processed. After your application is approved, the next step is activating your digital membership. So to do this, you need to download the Fazaa mobile application on your smartphone and then simply log in into your account. After signing in, your digital Fazaa card will appear in it. So from there, you can start using it and access the discounts and special offers at many partners stores, restaurants, travel services, and online platforms in the UAE. Now, if you face any kind of issues during the activation, you can anytime just contact to the Fazaa customer support team and they can help you resolve the account related issues or activation related problems. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.